And welcome back everyone to this new video of how to guide. If you're also facing issues with your messenger, then in this video let me show you how to fix video call problem on your messenger. And whether you're not being able to start a video call or whether your camera is blurry, in any of those cases you can try out a couple of things. So the first thing that you can do is update your messenger app. These problems mainly happen because there is just a bug on the app. So updating applications will help to fix this out. So search for Messenger and then tap on update if there are any new updates available. Once you update your app, try to see if this fixes the issue. If it does not, the second thing that you can do is uninstall the app of Messenger from your phone. So just uninstall the app of Messenger, and once it has been uninstalled, you can again reinstall and log into your account. This is a great way of fixing any kinds of glitches that is in your phone. So once you do these couple of steps, your video call problem on Messenger should be fixed. Now the other thing that you can also do is open up the website of Facebook on your desktop or laptop and try to video call from there. Sometimes when Messenger video call is not working on the app, you can also try the alternative way, which is try to video call on the website using your desktop or laptop. So these are the couple of things that you can try out in order to fix video call problem on Messenger. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching.